Here's how we can record phone calls on Realme Note 70T. So the first thing that you can do is check if you have a built-in phone recorder or call recorder actually on your smartphone. So if you have an ongoing call, if you are in the call menu, you can, for example, go to more in order to see if you have an option that allows you to start recording this phone call. However, in some cases, for example, in Europe, most likely you do not have this feature, whereas in other regions, this option might be available. So if you have it, then of course, that's great, you can use it. However, in case you don't have the option, then you can go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to make those recordings, that allows us to record phone calls. More precisely, we're going to go to search. Let's go over here to the search field, and then we need to write something like call recorder, for example. And of course, you will be able to find multiple different apps that allow you to record phone calls. In my case, I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you how to set it up. But in case this one doesn't work for you, of course, feel free to try any other app. So let's open it. Usually the setup is really easy. You just have to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to set it up. And you might see an ad in the meantime, but of course you should be able to close it. So let's go ahead. Let's grant all of these permissions over here. And let's choose this app as the default one. And there we go. So whatever it is required to make this app usable, just let the app have access to those features. We can also tap over here on the left side in order to see if the recorder is enabled, and you can find some other options here as well, so you can check them out. And after that, you might be able to start recording phone calls. Most of the time, they are automatic, so whenever you start the call, when the call begins, the app starts recording. In case you are not heard well or the other person is not heard well, actually, then you might want to use the loudspeaker to make it sound better, essentially. And like I said, in case this app doesn't work for you, then feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. And they are fairly easy to set up, so you shouldn't have any issues with setting them up. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.